Okay, hello everyone. Um, so I would like to talk today about quantum computing for gaming. So let's get right into it. So what makes quantum hardware so special is that it takes advantage of quantum bits or qubits for short. These are different from standard binary bits because instead of being one or zero, it could be a superposition of both, which allows for more complex computations. As you can see in the diagram here, they still use the classical computing, but it can also translate into quantum instruction. Okay. So the benefits of using quantum computers for gaming include enhanced character AI, graphics and visuals, randomization and accessibility, complex and unique experiences, and enhanced security in online games. So for an enhanced character AI, you will have a more complex aggro algorithm, which means enemy characters in game will be more intelligent and have a better way of attacking the playing character. As far as AI generated response to dialogue, this will make the world feel a lot more unique and original. So instead of pre-recorded voice acting, you could take advantage of AI voice and also AI text completion so that they could play a character and have unique dialogue to the playing character, as well as AI to AI interactions for more immersive worlds. So you will be able to have two AI NPCs have a unique conversation between each other, and they're both playing a role of, let's say, for instance, a blacksmith and maybe a trader of some sort. For graphics and visuals, there will be extremely high resolutions, which will make hyper realistic worlds for us all to enjoy. There will be one-to-one accurate shading, just like in the real world, and you won't have to cut any corners. There will be better reactivity to wind and weather conditions, so players might be able to actually see droplets spread into more droplets without having to simulate droplets and kind of, cut the corners. For randomization and accessibility, we will have the ability to factor large numbers to improve the procedural generation. So instead of having to program every little rock and tree, we will be able to have it be generated dynamically as the player explores the world. We will have truly random events, um, which means instead of the pseudo randomness that comes with classical computers, kind of that makes it feel random, we will have more close to true random with quantum computing. And this is helped by a greater pool of randomness, whether it be events or objects. So more to choose from makes for better randomization. For complex and unique experiences, there will be a greater amount of branching paths. I know one complaint of recent RPGs is that there is a lack of choice and even an illusion of choice. This will not be a problem with quantum computing, as it will be able to handle many, many branching paths. And this makes for more unique endings. So you will be able to play the same game and possibly get 200 plus different endings each time. There will be greater character diversity in RPGs. So instead of having it just be a simple strength stat or maybe speed, there could be many, many variables taken into account that affect speed and strength, just like the real world. There will be more expansive and dense worlds because it is able to handle a lot of different operations, such as destructibility to all objects. Um, and I'd imagine you'd be able to go into every single building versus I know in modern games, GTA being one example, where there's a lot of buildings the player cannot enter. And even if you do enter, you can't go to every floor. And this will not be a problem with quantum computers. We will have enhanced security in online games. So with enhanced security comes greater anonymity of players. So you won't be able to, or you won't be able to get hacked by anybody, or um, you won't be compromised over the internet when you're playing online games. There will be less hackable PvP gameplay, which means hacked servers will be less of an issue in the future using quantum computing. And this overall makes a safer online experience for everybody. So yes, this quantum technology will benefit gamers of all kinds, whether it be RPG gamers, PvP gamers, battle royale gamers, or just traditional single player story mode gamers. And I cannot wait for a future of realistic gaming simulations we can all enjoy. Once everyone has personal computers that have a CPU, GPU, and a QPU, then we will all be able to enjoy hyper realistic simulations in games. So thank you for listening to my presentation. Okay, good night.